Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Khanam Ansa Shehzadi here. Welcome to STEAM Education. Dear teachers and students, we are reading Bizby Mathematics Prep class, and in this video we are going to learn about more, less and equal. Students' learning outcomes. Students understand the terms more, less and equal. Identify more, less, or equal by different things. Arisha likes to count. She visits a garden. She counts 3 flowers, 4 butterflies, and 3 honeybees. She saw 2 ladybirds in the garden. She told her father, "Butterflies are more than flowers. There are less ladybirds than butterflies. The flowers and honeybees are equal in numbers." यहाँ पर एक लड़की है जिसका नाम है अरीशा। अरीशा एक बाग में जाती है और वहाँ पर वो काउंट करती है 3 flowers, 4 butterflies, 3 honeybees. She saw, उसने देखी 2 ladybirds, ठीक है, 2 ladybirds देखी। यहाँ पर 3 flowers and 3 honeybees are equal. Flowers are more than ladybirds and butterflies are more than flower and honeybee. For the teacher, explain the concept of more, less and equal by given the above examples. Clarify the concept by playing the video. डियर टीचर्स, आई होप सो आपने इस वीडियो से बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा। मज़ीद सीखने और जानने के लिए हमारे साथ रहेगा। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। खुदा हाफिज़।